How to replace the motherboard. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, battery, wireless WAN module, and webcam assembly. Removal. Remove the two 2.5mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the USB bracket to the motherboard. Lift the USB bracket off of the motherboard and remove. Remove the four 2mm P0 Phillips-head screws that secure the motherboard to the display enclosure. Disconnect the following cables from the motherboard: left speaker cable, volume button board ribbon cable, left hall sensor ribbon cable, fingerprint reader ribbon cable, wireless LAN antennas, right hall sensor ribbon cable, right speaker cable, SIM card board ribbon cable, POGO ribbon cable. Carefully lift the left edge of the motherboard, slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the display enclosure, and remove. Important: do not remove the BIOS board from the motherboard. The motherboard must be returned with the BIOS board attached. Reverse this procedure to install the motherboard.